Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my favorite tips to help you look and feel younger instantly. We all want that radiant, youthful glow. A little help on the outside never hurt anyone. Ready to rediscover your most vibrant self? Let's dive in. Have you ever noticed how people who radiate joy and optimism seem to just glow? A positive attitude can work wonders, not only for your soul, but also for your appearance. When you feel good, you look good. It's as simple as that. True beauty starts from within. Embrace your inner sunshine and let it shine through. Smile often, laugh freely, and surround yourself with positive energy. Our skin reflects how well we care for ourselves. A little TLC goes a long way. Your skincare routine is a daily ritual to pamper and nourish your skin. Find products for your skin type, cleanse gently, exfoliate regularly, and never forget to moisturize. Investing in your skin is investing in your well-being. We all know water is essential for life, but did you know it's a secret weapon for youthful skin? Staying hydrated keeps your skin plump and supple, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Carry a water bottle and sip regularly. Trust me, your skin will thank you. You are what you eat, and that couldn't be truer for your skin. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats is like a superfood smoothie for your complexion. These foods provide antioxidants that fight free radical damage, keeping your skin youthful. Ditch processed foods and embrace a colorful plate full of goodness. Your skin will glow from the inside out. Exercise isn't just about staying fit. It's about feeling alive and vibrant. Regular physical activity increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This boost in circulation gives you that healthy, youthful glow. Find an activity you love, whether it's dancing, yoga, or simply going for a walk in nature. They don't call it beauty sleep for nothing. Sleep puts your body in repair mode, regenerating cells and restoring itself. Your skin cells repair damage and rebuild collagen while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to wake up refreshed and looking your best. We all know stress is a part of life, but chronic stress can take a toll on your appearance. It can lead to breakouts, wrinkles, and dull skin. Manage stress through meditation, yoga, or nature walks, or by listening to your favorite music. Mental well-being is as important as physical health for a youthful glow. The sun is a source of life, but it can also harm our skin. UV rays cause premature aging, sunspots, and skin cancer. Make sunscreen your BFF no matter the weather. Use broad spectrum SPF 30 plus daily, even on cloudy days. Consistency is key in skincare, just like any good relationship. Establish a routine that works for you and stick to it. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize regularly to maintain healthy, glowing skin. Remember, true beauty comes from within. It's about feeling confident, comfortable, and radiant in your own skin. Embrace your unique features and never let anyone dull your sparkle. You are beautiful, you are powerful, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, so go out there and shine. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. True beauty is more than just our appearance. It's about feeling good inside, embracing individuality, and radiating confidence. Stay true to yourself. Take care of your mind, body, and spirit. Can't wait to connect with you again soon. Until then, stay young and happier. And even more importantly, don't forget to love yourself.